Hello everyone, I am Atul Kumar Uttam and I am here to introduce the subject Introduction to Python. The subject code is BCAC 0009 and this subject will run in BCA second year third semester. So this subject will taught by three of us, Mr. Anuj Mangal, me and Miss Kirti Bansal, and we all are working as a assistant professor in Computer Engineering and Applications Department, JLA University. So this course is basically a introductory course about Python programming. So for this course you do not require a heavy programming experience, and after learning this course you will solve different kinds of problems using Python programming. This course does not have any prerequisite, but we know that you have already covered C programming in last semester, so definitely this will help you in learning this subject also. The syllabus of this subject is divided into two modules. In module 1 we are going to cover the basics of Python, which are the building blocks of the Python, and in module 2 we will cover most advanced topics like file handling, exception handling, some object oriented concepts. We will also cover the regular expression database and multi-threading, which is most advanced topics in Python programming. For this course you will get different online resources, but some of them are quite mentionable. One is the Think Python. It is an ebook which is written by Alan B. Downey, and second one is the Dive into Python by Mark Pilgrim. There is another website, python.org, from where you can find the documentation of Python. This is also a great resource for solving your problems if whenever you feel any. So in your mind definitely one question will come: when you have already learned a subject C programming, then why you are going to learn another programming subject Python? So let me give you quite good reasons for why you have to learn Python programming. Because Python can be used for web development. Using Python you can develop websites. Using Python you can develop some business applications like ERP software. You can develop GUI based software. You can even develop games, and Python is widely used in scientific and numerical calculations in areas of artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is one of the most important reason for popularity of the Python. We can also use Python in network programming, in development of network protocol using different Python libraries, and Python can also used in database connectivity also. So these are some famous companies which are using Python. I hope you have already heard about these companies like YouTube, Google, NASA, EDX, IBM, Pinterest, Instagram, Uber, Dropbox. So these are some quite great companies which are using Python. There is one survey conducted by Stack Overflow every year. That is the survey of most popular technologies, and for this year Python stood at number 4th position, just after the SQL. So this is one of the most important technologies you have to learn in this year. Remember, to learn any programming language you must write your own program and you have to experiment with them. That is the only way to learn a new language. So thank you and meet you in the class.